It's like those stupid puzzles. So I'm going to try persuading this with a hammer and see if I can drive these bolts out. No, there's too much overlap. Yeah, that's not happening ever. What the hell? Did you see that? This other side came out. Oh, I understand the logic. And I claim to be good at puzzles. So how that happened was, this is the easiest the steering wheel's ever spun. Okay, so you can't push it out the way I was doing. You can't push it out this way. But if you fold it here, you get over that lump, and it's already halfway out. And then I can just wiggle it out the rest of the way. It's kind of difficult to do with one hand. Yes, you're so great at this, and now you're just embarrassing yourself. There we go.